Peace, everyone. It's Dr. Jeff Hubbard, and you're tuning in to the 2024 Commemorative Fast, recognizing my mother, Evelyn Hubbard, and everything she did in my life and the life of others. Guys, it's day 18. One thing, if you knew my mother, you would knew how much she enjoyed a good massage. Last night, I had one for the ages. Guys, this was an epic massage. We're here at Berjaya, which is in Metro Manila in a place called Makati. So this hotel has a spa, and man, these young ladies went to work on us last night. 2 hours of signature massage, deep tissue. We had some ear candling, just a lot of cool stuff that really promotes health and wellness, right up my alley. I learned from the best. And man, I almost feel bad about it. Guys, you will not guess how much a 2-hour massage costs here at the hotel we're staying at. $23. Can you imagine that? $23 for a 2-hour full body massage with all the accoutrement. It was great. So I feel refreshed. I feel excited. Tonight we meet with the local Rotary. We're going to be promoting our stem cell photobiomodulation technology and how it works. We met with them the last time I was here, almost a year ago, and so they invited us back to have an even more dynamic discussion, specifically focusing in on certain conditions that these patches have been extremely valuable in assisting and improving. All right, so stay tuned. You'll see some clips and some video from that. We'll make sure to record some detail, but just wanted to check in, let you know about that amazing massage. We're promoting wellness. Wellness is a big part of the culture here, especially with massage and acupuncture and various different modalities from Eastern medicine, right? Also, I want to let you guys know about a new collaboration that's going to be at the forefront of the discussion coming up. So God Body Entertainment, we're partnering to do some PR promotions, events, and things like that around DFW. So when I get back, we'll have an even more in-depth discussion. I'm going to invite my boy Knowledge on to discuss the vision for God Body and how we're collaborating. So stay tuned. Much more to come.